Hey folks, Wayne Jennings here. Check this out, a new addition to my little office here. I've got this seamless backdrop. It's great for taking, say, photos of something that I want to put on Facebook Marketplace, or if I'm shooting product reviews, if I'm shooting video. It's just a great way to get a shot on there with a nice uncluttered backdrop. Let's just compare these shots. Here's the smartphone waterproof housing taken as it's sitting on the seamless background. And here's that same shot just sitting on the counter. You can see where the counter and the wall intersect at the back. Now, it's not a horrible shot, but I definitely like the seamless background look. I think it just looks a lot better. Now you can purchase all kinds of specialized seamless photo backdrop paper. They come in various sizes and all different colors, but they're usually fairly big, and they usually require some kind of a tripod stand on either side and some kind of roller mechanism across the top. And unfortunately, in my small office studio here, I just didn't have a lot of room. I mean, I usually use this countertop to place my objects, and then I got a lighting grid across the top, but I wanted something I could mount on that wall. What I ended up doing is purchasing this. This is just a blackout roller shade. You can get these in different colors. This happens to be gray. I've seen them in white, black, beige, blue, but I like the gray. It's a nice neutral kind of color, I thought. And instead of putting it on a window, I figured I could use it if I just mount it here on the wall. Mounting the blinds is fairly straightforward. They come with these two spring-loaded brackets. You just put them on the wall, and then the blinds just snap into place. Using a stud finder will help you find a secure spot to mount your brackets. Measure the spot in the wall where you want the blind to be. Put the brackets up there. Make sure, of course, they're both level, and just mark the screw holes in there, and then you can drill them out. And once both brackets have been firmly attached to the wall, it's just a matter of taking the roller shade and just snapping it into place. So in conclusion, I've been very pleased with this roller shade setup. I really like the gray color, nice neutral color, but I'm thinking of adding a white one and a black one. I've got plenty of room up there to mount them. Just give me more options with different colored backgrounds. If you're interested in something like this, I have included some links in the description below. I bought these on Amazon. They weren't very expensive, but what I really like is the fact that you can get almost any size you want. So really versatile for use as a photography background.